God created man and made him as his viceroy on the earth. He has provided a beautiful world for humans to live comfortably, but humans destroy the beauty of nature. It is a beautiful sunny day. The breeze passes through the trees. The nature admirers are enjoying the nature. How lovely it is to see people enjoying the beauty of nature. Wow, such a beautiful tree. I will have a great feast today. What? Is he going to cut us? Oh, what a pitiful life we will have today. I am going to cut you. I can sell you and get more money for my livelihood. Ouch! Stop! What are you doing? It's hurting. I will die. Oh no! Please don't cut trees. They are so vital for me. No proper air, no proper oxygen. I am not able to breathe properly. Oh God, I am fainting. My dear children, I am your Mother Earth. All the natural things present on me, like wind, water, trees, all are very important. We together balance the environment. We can earn money through our hard work, but neither we can make natural things nor increase it. So, on Earth Day, we promise each other that we will look after all the natural things around us.